guys, it's Crystal from OBDGenie. Did you know when you're programming your vehicle for that upgraded feature, you may need to reset the vehicle's computer to acknowledge that new feature? This is called a CAN bus reset. For example, on your computer, whenever you download that new program, you should restart your computer. Here's a quick and simple way to perform that CAN bus reset. Let's go. For all FCA and GM vehicles, with the vehicle off, you will remove only the negative cable off of the battery. You will leave it off for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, so let's go ahead and put the negative cable back onto the battery. And this is how you perform a CAN bus reset. And as a reminder, this is only for FCA and GM vehicles. As usual, if you have any questions, you can check us out at obdgenie.com. Thanks for watching.